Have you ever been like me when you take green onions to fry eggs, but when you open the refrigerator, you feel wilted, become waterlogged, and smells bad? It's disappointing, isn't it? Hello! It's great to see you again on the Everyday Tricks channel. Today, I'll share with you the secret to keeping green onions fresh for a year, without them spoiling, and without needing a freezer. In this video, I'll reveal a secret that all vegetable shops never want you to know. This knowledge I learned from a chef with 20 years of experience at a 5-star restaurant. This secret is incredibly simple, yet highly effective. It has helped me save thousands of dollars each month. All you need are a few common items from your kitchen. Let's get started. Method 1. Green onions from the market may sometimes still have dirt or surface preservatives on them. If you see dark green spots, these may be signs of a plant protection mixture, commonly used to prevent mold. To clean them, it's very simple. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to a large bowl of water. Stir well to dissolve. Then soak the green onions for about 9 to 11 minutes. This step helps remove most of the remaining chemicals. Where are you from? It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After soaking, gently rinse them 1-2 times with clean water, and remove any wilted leaves or damaged stems to keep the scallions fresh longer. Next, let the scallions drain completely, or use paper towels to absorb excess moisture. Even a little moisture left behind can cause them to rot quickly. Now for storage. Prepare 1 bottle. Add 200 milliliters of filtered water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then place the onion roots, with old roots removed, inside. Remember to soak only the roots, not the stems, to prevent rot. Place the jar in a cool, dry place or in the refrigerator, changing the salt water every 12 to 24 hours. You can keep the onions fresh for 3 to 5 weeks. Method 2. This is an extremely convenient way to keep green onions fresh for a long time while retaining their distinctive aroma. First, wash the green onions, dry them thoroughly, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Next, place them in a glass food storage jar or a zip-top bag, remembering to arrange them gently so they don't get crushed. Next, squeeze out all the air if you have a vacuum sealer, even better. If not, you can use a straw, leaving a small opening to insert the straw. Then use your mouth to suck out all the air. This tip is simple yet extremely effective. Once the bag is flat and the scallions aren't sticking together, Simply place it in the freezer for storage. Many people worry that freezing will make the onions lose their flavor. But in fact, this method preserves moisture, aroma, and vibrant green color. A little tip: when you need to use them, just take the amount you need and add it directly to the pot. Don't thaw them first, because the onions will become soft and lose their flavor. Method 3. Pick and wash the green onions, then drain them. Chop the green onions finely according to your needs. It's wonderful that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put the scallions into a clean bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and mix well. Scoop the scallion oil mixture into each ice cube tray compartment. Place the tray in the freezer to freeze. Once frozen, you can remove the scallion cubes and transfer them to a zip bag to save space. Frying, because the onions are oil-coated. And this method can preserve them for 3 to 4 months. So I've just shared with you 3 extremely simple ways to preserve green onions, helping you save time, money, and effort in the kitchen. Whether you freeze them, regrow them in water, wrap them in paper, or soak them in vinegar, each method has its own advantages and will ensure you always have fresh green onions ready for any dish. What about you? How do you usually store green onions? Or do you have any special tips I haven't mentioned? Share in the comments section. I'd love to learn more from you. In the next video, I'll show you how. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so I can bring you even more great kitchen tips. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you in the next video.